Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Netflix error code M7701 in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your Brave browser. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically there. Click on Extensions. This section is where Brave manages all the additional features and plugins that help websites function properly. It's an important area because some streaming services like Netflix require specific extensions to play content correctly. Now, in the extensions section, look for an option called Widevine. This is a crucial component for playing DRM-protected content on streaming platforms. Right beside Widevine, you'll notice a toggle switch. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Widevine is a digital rights management system that Netflix needs to decrypt and play videos in your browser. Without it enabled, you'll continue seeing that error code, preventing you from watching anything. After enabling Widevine, you'll need to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. Look towards the bottom right of the screen and you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click on this button, Brave will close completely and then restart itself automatically. This restart is necessary because it allows the browser to properly load the Widevine component you just enabled. The process only takes a few seconds and all your open tabs should restore once the browser comes back up. Once Brave has relaunched and you're back to your normal browsing screen, open Netflix again. You can do this by typing netflix.com in the address bar or clicking on your Netflix bookmark if you have one saved. Once the Netflix page loads, refresh it to make sure it's loading with the newly enabled Widevine extension active. The error code M7701 should now be resolved and you should be able to stream your content without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Netflix error code in Brave browser by enabling Widevine. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.